Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Carla and in today's video we are diving deep into the concept of infinitive banking, a strategy that will revolutionize your financial management. If you are looking to take control of your financial destiny, you are in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more insightful content, and let's unlock the secrets of infinitive banking together. So first, let's start. What is infinitive banking? Infinitive banking refers to a process where individuals become their own banking through their use of dividends paying whole life insurance policies. This strategy was developed by Nelson Nash. By overfunding this policy, you can borrow against them and finance personal expenses, essentially creating a personal banking system. While not limited to any specific financial institution, infinite banking is commonly offered through insurance companies that provide whole life insurance policies capable of supporting this strategy, such as Mass Mutual, Guardian, and Northwest Mutual. The core product associated with infinite banking is the dividend pay whole life insurance policy. This policy not only provide a death benefit but also accumulate cash value over time, which you can borrow against, and that's how basically you can get these usage, or you can use this amount that you can borrow against toward your debts, and it can help you out tremendously. Are you enjoying this breakdown so far? If so, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. Also, check out my free VIP group link in the description box below, where we discuss wealth strategy and much more. Coming back to the subject, I'm going to share with you some pros and cons. On the pro side, you can gain control over your finances, borrowing and repaying on your own terms. You have to think about also that this kind of policy, the interest rate is much more beneficial than a high interest rate debt that you can have in another type of financial product. Another pro is the growth through dividends. Policy growth tax deferred and earns dividends. Another one is financial legacy. Provides a death benefit alongside financial flexibility. This means basically that you can use these all of these money that you are growing in your policy, and you reuse it as your best convenience. On the con side, we will count as a complexity because it requires a deep understanding and disciplined approach. That way, you can use this to your advantage and not messed up. Another cons is the long-term commitment. Benefits are seen in the long term, not immediately. So basically, because the concept of this is when you get this whole life insurance policy, you have to put down some money, and every company has their own policies on how they're gonna run it. But essentially, you have to put down a specific money, and usually you have to wait the first year to start earning some dividends and start having some money that you can borrow against, and you can go from there. But it still is a good deal with it. If you understand this concept, you can take a huge advantage of this strategy and go from there. Another cons is the cost. Initial cost and premium can be high, impacted your liquidity. So there is so many things that is involved when you are getting into a whole life insurance policy. So basically, initially can be costly, but it's worth it. Infinitive banking is best for those who have a long-term financial perspective, also are in good financial health and can commit to a high premium payments. It's also beneficial for individuals seeking to leave a financial legacy. To get started with infinitive banking, you will need to be approved for a whole life insurance policy. Requirements typically include a medical exam and financial underwriting. Good health and a stable financial history will help in securing favorable terms. The policies usually pull financial details from credit bureaus like Experience or Equifax. It's depend of the company, but it's definitely going to pull from your credit report. So just be aware that it's probably good idea that before you getting into it, you work on your credit report and check you have your credit profile nice and neat, and you can go from there. To maximize the benefit of infinite banking, overfund your policy. Basically, accelerate your policy's cash value growth, and as sooner as you do that, as sooner you can get benefit from it. Another way to maximize it is a strategic borrowing. You have to basically only borrow for investment or cost that you can manage. And another way to maximize it is stay informed. Why I will say this one is basically regularly reviewing your policy and financial goals with a financial advisor will help you also tremendously to understand everything in it and how you can take advantage of this policy and get it working to your favor. So let me put you some example. The first one is, let's say John uses his policy to finance his child's college education, borrowing against the policy and repaying it on flexible terms without depending a traditional loans, which is amazing. So basically, if you get this whole life insurance going for, it can be yours, it can be your son's or your kid, and you can go from there. Then by the time that they get to college, basically you have this huge chunk amount that you can borrow and put it toward their education. And basically the interest rate will be fine, because if you start growing that policy, by the time that they get to college, you will have that money available right there. You don't have to pay interest rate, or you don't have to get in a deep debt to pay or getting into a student loans or something like that. Let me put you another example. So Sarah invests in a rental property by borrowing from her policy, using the rental income to repay the policy loan while benefiting from property appreciation. So if you see, there is a win-win on how you use this money. So it's you can so basically you can have a lot of fun playing with this, and you can start getting wealthy in, I mean, it's gonna take time, but if you play this your cards right, it's gonna be a huge impact on your financial wealth and journey, and also your financial health. So with that being said, Infinitive Banking offer a unique way to manage your finances, leveraging life insurance to fulfill both immediate and long-term financial needs. It is not about saving money. It's about transforming how you interact with your finances. Let me know, what are your thoughts about infinite banking? Have you considered it before? Are you dealing with it? Are you right now on it? Let me know your experience. Let me know your comments in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. And thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe for more insightful content on financial strategy that empower you. Check out my free VIP group I will leave the link in the description box below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.